Naminucus is a versatile robot that can walk, climb walls, drive while balancing on two wheels, use tools, manipulate objects and much more. This video demonstrates how the robot could be used for medical applications. One of possible applications is to use the robot for cleaning surfaces, for example, with antibacterial wipes. Wipes can be attached to the robot feet by rubber bands. The robot can slightly tilt its feet and drive around while cleaning its path. The robot can turn in place, which makes it easy to navigate tight spaces. The robot can also use onboard cleaning tool, which can be used not only for horizontal surfaces. The robot carries an ultraviolet LED which allows to disinfect surfaces around the robot. LED can be installed in such a way that it shines on robot path while driving, walking or climbing vertical surfaces. LED shown here in the prototype is small for safety reasons. The robot is capable to carry a payload of up to 0.5 kilogram. Therefore, much bigger ultraviolet lamps could be installed. The robot is capable to act as a mobile 4 degrees of freedom pick and place arm. It can pick up objects, carry them on wheels while driving, transport and place them in desired destination.